plus 3y into 2x. Everyone please mute yourself. Ayush, mute yourself. Okay. So the question is we have to multiply these two. So see here, it is sum of two. It is sum of two terms, and it is difference of two terms. So you are multiplying sum and difference of two terms. Same terms. We are multiplying. Okay, we are multiplying sum with the difference of two terms. Okay. So multiply them, you'll see something interesting. So 2x multiplied with 2x minus 3y. Everyone keep doing in your notebook. Multiply them plus 3y. 2x minus 3y. It is how much? 4x square minus 6xy plus 3 to the 6 and xy we can write minus 9y square. Minus 6xy plus 6xy, it's 0. Okay, what is remaining? 4x square minus 9y square. Okay, have you understood? See here, 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. You are getting 4x square minus 9y square. Square of 2x, square of 3y, and minus sign. Okay, have you understood this one? Any doubt? Okay. Okay, next year you will learn one identity. Okay, this is one of the identities, that is a plus b into a minus b. It is how much? A square minus b square. You will learn next year that sum of, that is the product of the sum and the difference of two variables is difference of their squares. You will learn this one. So this is the most loved equation or liked equation. Okay, you will be using it a lot. Okay, this is one identity you will be using a lot next year. Okay. Okay, multiply the second one. Do the second one. Everyone, do the second one. Everyone, do the second one. A minus 3 into a plus 3. Everyone solve that one. A minus 3 into a plus 3. A minus 3 into a plus 3. Open the bracket, one of them, a plus 3 minus 3, a plus 3. A square plus 3a minus 3a plus 9.
9.
You have got the answer?
Sir,
Wait 1
we
minute.
have
Minus.
written 9. Yes, sir.
Minus 9.
A square minus
Yes.
9.
A square minus 9. Okay. Okay, do the third one. Everyone solve the third one. Everyone solve the third one. A square plus a plus 4. And it is multiplied with a minus 2. Everyone solve the third one. Everyone mute yourself. Okay, third one. A square plus a plus 4 into a minus 2. So I can write a minus 2, a square plus a plus 4. Okay, open the bracket and solve third one. A square plus a plus 4. Okay, a into a square plus a plus 4.
Plus 4.
Yes. Okay, a square plus a plus 4. A square plus a plus 4 only is given into a minus 2. This is the question. A square plus a plus 4 into a minus 2. Okay. A square plus a plus 4. Okay. Open the bracket. A cube
A square
A square
plus
plus
4a
4a minus
minus 2a square
minus
minus 2A
2a
minus 2a
plus a minus 8.
minus 8 minus 8. Okay. Okay. So a cube. Now see here a square minus 2a square minus a square. Okay. 4a and minus 2a plus 2a minus 8. Okay. This will be getting the answer. Okay. The answer given
No,
in book
sir.
correct that one. Answer given in book is wrong. A cube minus 8 is given. Can cross that one with a single line and write this as answer there. This is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, correct that one. 7th, 3rd answer provided in book. Correct that one. Everyone correct that one. Okay. Those who are completed 3rd, start doing 4th. Okay. So here product of 3 terms or 3 expressions are there. So first multiply 2 expressions, then multiply it with the 3rd expression. Okay. Everyone do it. Start doing in your notebook. So the expressions are x minus 1 and it is multiplied with x minus 2 multiplied with x minus 6. So to multiply these two expressions is easy. Then their product we can multiply this, or we can multiply these two first and then their product with this one. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, this is up to you. So if I'm multiplying first two, then with the third, or these two, then with the first. Okay, so I am multiplying these two first. Okay, so x minus 1 I'll keep outside, and within a big bracket I'll solve everything. Okay, so x into x minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3. Okay, x minus 1. Okay, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Okay, solve this one. X minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Okay. Now again, open the bracket. X into x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 1 x square minus 5x plus 6. Either you put here one note, it's fine. Okay. Now solve them. X cube minus 5x square plus 6x minus x square plus 5x, and it will be minus 6. Okay. So x cube minus 5x square minus x square, how much? 6x square plus 6x, x plus 5x plus 11x minus 6. Okay, this is the answer you will get. Everyone have got the same answer? Have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
everyone have got the answer? Okay, do the next one. Okay, next one, see here, what is more easy? First two, if you multiply, it is x plus y into x minus y. If we do that one, can anyone figure out the answer just by looking at the question? No, don't look at answer below. See here it is given x plus y, x minus y. Again, x square plus y square. Okay. Sum of these two terms, difference of these two terms, and their product. Okay. So multiply first and second expression. So I am putting
Sir,
big bracket.
X
X into x minus y plus y into x minus y. Okay, x square plus y square. Okay, keep solving. Open the bracket now, everyone. Everyone open the bracket in your notebook. Okay, so it will be x square minus xy plus xy minus y square. Okay. Here x square plus y square. Okay. So minus xy plus xy get cancelled. What we are getting? X square minus y square. Okay, it is being multiplied with x square plus y square. Again, see the same thing. Two terms, their difference, their sum, and their multiplication. So again, x square plus y square minus y square, x square plus y square. Okay, what you're going to get? X to the power 4 plus x square y square minus x square y square plus it will be minus y raised to power 4. They get cancelled. X is to power 4 minus y raised to power 4. Have you understood? So sum of the two terms, difference of the two terms and their product. Okay. So it comes out to be x square minus y square. Again, see here, sum
Sir,
of
can
sum
we
of the,
simply write like a square minus b square?
don't write. Here we have to solve them. Okay. Here we have to solve. Okay. So solve them. Okay. Solve them. We haven't studied those identities. Okay. So when we study the identities, I will use them somewhere. Okay. Here we have to solve them. Okay. We have to simplify them without using identities. Okay. So you have to solve this whole way. Okay. So multiplication is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear. So today we are starting. Now we will start division. Okay. So first we'll start with monomial. A monomial divided by monomial. Okay. Before that, okay, we'll start now. Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay, if question is 4 divided by 2, how can you express it? It can be expressed as 4 by 2, yes or no? 4 divided by 2 can be written as
Yes.
4 and 2 in denominator, okay? And further, we cancel them. 2 is the answer. Similarly, 12 divided by 6, okay? 4 we take. 12 divided by 4 we can write, it will be 3, okay? Now, if I say A divided by B, it can be written as A by B.
A upon
This
B.
is A upon B. Okay. Now I give you 5x square divided by x. How you can write? Or 1 minute. First, let us divide by 5. 5x square divided by 5.
Upon 5.
5 get cancelled, or we can write it as like this as well. 5 by 5 into x square, and they get cancelled. We have x square. Okay. This is not required now. Okay. Next is 25x cube divided by 5x. So how you are going to write this one? 25
x cube upon 5x.
5x. Okay. Now how to solve? Okay, we have studied if you are writing x is to m divided by x is to power n. It can be written as x is to power m divided by x is to power n. It can be written as x is to
X
power
is to
m,
power m minus n.
m minus n. Okay. We have done this in exponents. Okay. In division powers. So base is same. When the base are same, in division we will subtract the powers. Okay. M minus n, m minus n. Okay. So how to proceed further? It will be 25 divided by 5 and x is to power 3 minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
So it will
sir.
be 5
5x
x
x square.
5x square. Everyone have understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2C exercise we can start. First question. Rest we will discuss afterwards. Okay. First question we are dividing by a constant only. Okay. Okay. First question, Aksharta, you answer 8x divided by 4. What will be the answer? 8x divided by 4. So first write it 8x by 4. 8x divided by 4. And find the answer. What will be the answer? Don't raise your hand.
There.
Yes. It will be how much? 2?
Sir, 2x.
2x. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Don't raise your hand. Okay. Second one. It's Bhavya Chaudhary or it's Bhavya? Bhavya Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you are Bhavya. Okay. Second one. Answer second one. So both Bhavyas are boys in class. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. Second one answer. Minus 12m divided by 2. What will be the answer? Minus 12m divided by 2.
6m.
Minus 6m. Okay. Next one, Dishita. 6z divided by minus 6. What will be the answer?
Minus z.
Minus z. Okay. Next one. Sonia, answer next one. 3x divided by 1. How much it will be?
2px.
Okay. Minus 16px divided by minus 8. Minus 16px divided by minus 8. 2px. Okay, good. Next one. Okay, let me go down here. Where they are. Jatin. Next one. Jatin. 3x divided by 1. It's very tough. 3x divided by 1. Jatin. Three x divided by 1.
Sir, can I?
Devraj, no, mute yourself. Jatin, answer it. Jatin.
Yes, sir.
Answer it. 3x divided by 1. What will be the answer? Dishita and Sonia,
One.
please mute yourself. It will be how much?
1.
How
One.
1?
Sir.
That's
1x.
wrong.
Sir,
You
3x.
are making blunder. 3x divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 is the same quantity.
Same number.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Any
Yes.
number? If I'm writing 2x, it means there is 1 as denominator. We always take, we usually don't write that one. In every number, we can write, if I write 5, 6, 7, I can write the same number like this as well. It's same number, it doesn't change. Okay. Okay. Next one, 3x. Okay, minus 3x divided by 1. Yes, Devraj. Minus 3x divided by 1.
Sir, minus 3x.
Why? It is minus 3x. Okay. Next one, 3x divided by minus 1. Okay, let me ask someone from the.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Okay, the question was 3x divided by 1. You have seen in book. Okay, next one, Harshit. 3x divided by minus 1. 3x divided by minus 1.
So, sir, it will be minus 3x by 1.
Minus 3x by 1. Or we can write minus 3x only. Minus 3x.
Yes, sir.
Anything divided by 1 is the same number, okay? Okay, so we are starting with second one, okay? Second one, first question goes to Gia. Gia, 13ab divided by A. 13ab divided by a. How much it is? (13ab divided by a). Okay, Lucky, you answer. Lucky, you answer. 13ab divided by a.
Sir, 13B.
13b. Okay. Second one, Ayush. Second one, Ayush. Minus 15 PQ. Minus 15 PQ divided by 3Q. Minus 15 PQ divided by 3Q. Minus 15 PQ divided by 3Q. Ayush. Ayush, answer that one. Bhavya, you answer it. Minus 15
Sir, may I
PQ.
say? Sir, may I give?
I am going to ask you
minus
one question.
5p.
Minus
Minus 5p.
minus 5p. So 15 divided by 3, 5. Minus n already the PQ divided by Q. So QQ will get cancelled. Okay. Third one, Jatin. M divided by minus M.
Minus M.
Minus
M.
M. That's wrong. See here. M divided by minus M. So minus sign will be there. M divided by M. M and M, they will get cancelled. And you
Minus
get
1.
Minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Okay. Okay. So we'll do them again. Okay. Little bit more detail we'll do the next question. Okay. See the next question. Minus z square upon z square. Okay. Everyone look here. Minus z square upon z square. It is written. Okay. So minus sign will remain as such. Now z. It is 2 minus. See here, what power we have to subtract? 2
2 minus 2.
minus. So it is how much? Minus z
Minus
raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So minus 1.
Minus
Always
1.
remember. And okay, if I write 2 raised to power 0, how much it will be? It will be 1.
1.
So
One.
if I write big number, okay, and I put 0 as the power, it will be 1.
1.
Okay. You can do as well as this one. Okay. Okay, next one. We have 36 x cube y cube. Okay, everyone pay attention with this. 36 x cube y cube divided by minus 6 xy. Minus 6 xy. Okay, see here how this question is there. Okay, so constants is there. Okay, next is x cube upon x is there and y cube upon y is there.
Y.
Okay, have you understood this one? That my 36 upon minus 6 constants we have written, or we can say quotients of them we have written separately. Then x terms containing x cube upon x into y cube. So we can express this division as this. Okay, now 36 upon 6. So minus sign will be
Minus
there.
6.
Whether you put minus with denominator or with numerator anywhere, it's fine. So mainly we used to put with the numerator. So minus sign will be there. 36 divided by 6.
6.
6. The simple division we used to do. Now x cube will be x cube minus 1. X is to power 3 minus 1 will be there because x is in denominator. Into y raised to power 3 minus 1. Okay. So we are getting minus 6 x square
X square, Y square.
Okay. Or you want to do straightforward, you can do 36 upon minus 6 minus 6. X is to power 3, x is to power 1. So from x cube, 1x will cancel. 3x are there here, 1x will cancel. Okay. We'll have x square. Similarly here, multiplication, 3 y's are there. From that 1 y will get cancelled. We have y into y, y square. Okay. Everyone have understood? Anyone have doubt? Okay, see the next
No,
one.
sir.
Okay, see the next one now. Everyone try next one. See here, these are very important. These first and second question, they are very important. 20a x cube. Okay, 20a x cube we have divided by a raised to power. Okay, divided by 10x. 1 second. It is 20ax 10x cube. Okay, 10. 20 a raised to power 6 it is there. Okay, 10x cube.
Sir,
20
10x raised to power 4.
4. It is 4. Okay. So this is our question. Okay. Now you can do it straightforward, or you can do it like this: 20 divided by 10. Numbers separately. A is there, then x raised to power 6 divided by x raised to power 4. Okay. So it will be how much? 2a into x raised to power 6 minus 4. So how many 6x are there? 6x are there. 4x will cancel. So 2 will remain. 2a
x square.
x square. Okay. 2a x square. Okay. Okay. Try next one. It's a huge number. These are monomials. We are dividing monomials by monomials. So it's a huge expression. Minus 63 minus 63 x cube y raised to power 5 z raised to power 8, and it is divided by 9x cube y square z. 9x cube y square z. Everyone understood this one? Okay. Now separate them. So minus 63 divided by 9 x cube divided by x cube into y raised to power 5 divided by y square into z raised to power 8 divided by z. Okay. So what will be the answer here? Minus 7. Okay. X cube, they get cancelled, or you can write x raised to power 3 minus 3. That is x raised to power 0. That is 1. So we can avoid here, or you want to write, you can write it like this. 3 minus 3 into y raised to power 5 minus 2 into z raised to power 8 minus 1. It is how much? Minus 7 into x raised to power 0 y cube z raised to power 7. It will be minus 7. It is 1 y cube z raised to power 7. This is the answer. Have you understood, everyone? Everyone have understood this one?
Yes.
Anyone
Yes.
have doubt? Anyone have doubt? Do ask. Okay, don't be ashamed of anything. If you don't know, just ask. Okay, so never be ashamed of anything. If you have the doubt, ask. Whatever kind of doubt you have, you must ask always. Okay. This question is clear. 7th one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 8th one. Okay. Even sometimes I make mistake, like this one. 12 divided by minus 1. I used to write somewhere 12. You see. So we all make mistakes. There is no one on earth who doesn't make mistake. Everyone make mistake. Or make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. So never be ashamed of mistakes. Okay. Next one, try 8th one. Minus 168. Everyone start doing in your notebook. Try to solve. Okay. I will be solving on board and you have to solve in notebook. And don't look on board. Okay. Keep solving in your notebook. Minus 168 a square b square cx square cx square. Okay. Divided by minus 7 ab square x square. Minus 7 ab square x square. Okay, this is the question. And always check once when you have written the question in notebook. Okay, the expressions you have written, once check, tally with the book whether you written correctly or not. So minus 168 a square b square c x square minus 7 ab square x square. Okay, we have written it correctly. Okay, now solve it. So minus 168 divided by minus 1. Minus sign will go away.
Cut.
A
Plus.
square divided by a into b square divided by b square. C remains alone. Okay. No one is there to divide C. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. Or I can say 1 is there. Okay. But we don't require. Okay. Okay. So this is there. Okay. Now start dividing. How much it will come? 168 divided by 7.
sir.
7 to 14,
24.
then 28, 24. So minus will get plus, and it will into
A.
a square minus a. Okay, a square minus 1. Or a you can write here as well. It's 1. B square get cancelled. A will be there. Okay, into c I'm writing straightforward. It will be again 1. X square divided by
Yes.
x square. 24 a c.
C.
This is the answer you all will get.
Yes, sir.
24 AC. Okay. Anyone have doubt here? Anyone have doubt? Okay. Okay. Now see here. Since till now what we are dividing? A monomial by a monomial. Okay. Now we'll be dividing binomial by monomial. It means an expression having two terms divided by an expression having one term. Okay. So for example, I write one expression 4x plus 2 divided by 2. So how? It means